Okay, Ryan, I see that you have a planet Snade there. Can you explain what the original assignment was?
Yeah,
the
it's
original
first,
assignment was to create my own planet.
Create your own planet?
Yeah.
And then what?
And then to present it.
Oh, okay.
It's cool. This is Lily, my planet Snake. So, obviously, if you look at the key, the blue is the oceans, the lighter blue is the North and South Pole, the brown green is the land, and this black is a rift. And so, the atmosphere is only made up of atoms that are blasted off the surface of the planet because of solar winds. And it does not have any gases in the atmosphere. So carbon dioxide is a major insulator on Earth. So the planet does not retain its heat. This means that the instant it becomes night, temperatures drop to below 200 degrees Celsius. But once the sun comes up, temperatures rise over 200 degrees Celsius within a second. Because of this constant expansion and contraction from the temperature change, you'll see great valleys and cracks in Snade because of the expansion and contraction. The atmosphere does not retain any of the water it evaporates, so there is no water cycle. And in fact, over time, Snade will run out of water because any water that is evaporated is not turned into clouds or precipitation. Okay, so the change from night to day temperatures causes the ocean to freeze during the night and boil during the day. There's a rift in the largest ocean between two continents. The rift is there because there are two diverging oceanic tectonic plates, and so magma seeps through there. And during the day, the magma will come in contact with the water, slowly cool down, and just making a normal island, as volcanoes do on Earth. But during the night, when the oceans are frozen, the magma will melt the ice around it, which will then superheat the water. Because the water is under pressure, it can't escape, so it just keeps rising past its boiling point, till eventually the pressure is so great that it'll shoot through the ice like a geyser. So, because the ocean is boiling during the day and it flash freezes, there's bubbles caught in the ice, which make ice non-transparent, so you can't see through it. And also, because Snade has one moon, there's a tide, and so actually the waves freeze in midair once it turns night. And for volcanoes, daytime eruptions result in larger crystal sizes because it's so hot in the day, it takes the magma longer to cool, which allows the crystals to reach a greater size. And at night, when it's so cold, the magma cools extremely fast. So you see stones like obsidian with smaller crystal sizes, and they look homogeneous. For the solar system, which is right over here, Snade is the closest planet to the sun, right here. It orbits the sun in merely 21 days. Snade has one moon, and it orbits a dwarf star that is in its main sequence. So once this dwarf star reaches its end sequence, it will exponentially grow into size around here, and it will swallow Snade along with this other planet, which, is like an Earth-like planet. And then the outer planet is just a big gas giant, like Jupiter. And for the layers of the planet, as usual, we have the crust, and then the exosphere, which is just a mixture of magma and then rocks with a higher melting point. So it's like sort of melted, but not really. Then we have the mantle, and we see convection in a Hadley cell, where you have this hot magma rising to the top due to a density gradient. It goes from high to low density, and cold things are more dense. And then once it cools off, it circulates back down.
Yep.
And then we have a core from iron, because as you can see, state is bombarded by asteroids, which carry a high amount of iron, because it is right next to an asteroid belt right in there. It's right there, there's an asteroid belt. And you don't see any iron oxide on state because there's no oxygen. And that's it.
Okay.
Yep.